Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about melatonin. I'll show you the details of how it's produced both in the brain and the body. I'm also going to talk about several supplements that are sold today that play a role in this melatonin pathway, and they're being sold for quote unquote brain health. So when it's dark, the body will produce melatonin naturally, and through the sunlight or when it's light, it will stop producing melatonin. And just a heads up, this video is going to get a little bit detailed into the science of it, but I myself learned quite a bit working through this. And the short version is that melatonin appears to play an important role for people to fall asleep. Did you ever hear that saying, you are what you eat? Well, there's a lot of truth to that. It turns out your body makes melatonin naturally, but in order to do it, you have to get the creation of melatonin from the diet. Here's a list of foods that have this molecule called tryptophan. It's mostly dairy products, meat, or seeds, and these contain a molecule called tryptophan. So it's from tryptophan that one can make melatonin. So be sure to be eating a well-balanced diet as recommended to keep that mind and heart healthy. So the biochemical pathway that plays a role in producing melatonin, it's a complex process that takes tryptophan through a cascade of events that occurs in the brain and the eye, retina, and in the GI tract. And then along the way, there are these other molecules that are needed in order to make melatonin effectively. Here's a look at the whole pathway, and we'll break it down step by step because many wellness and health stores are going to try and sell you supplements in this pathway. So it's important to be aware of them. In fact, all these items circled here are supplements found in health stores that anyone can just buy at any time. For example, if you look at the first step in this pathway, tryptophan is converted into this molecule abbreviated as 5-HTP. This molecule, 5-HTP, you can purchase as a supplement without a doctor's prescription. So in a way, if you take the supplement, 5-HTP will jump you into this step in the pathway. From here, you will need another chemical reaction to occur in the body that takes it to make serotonin. Interestingly, serotonin is thought to play an important role in anxiety and depression, and it's where many antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications work. If you ever heard of SSRIs or SNRIs, that S refers to serotonin, and it helps to increase the body's response to this molecule, which is thought to help the brain and mind be calm. Here's an image of different medications that work on serotonin and the variety of medical conditions it is used to treat. After the serotonin pathway, it needs another molecule to convert to this next step. This molecule is called acetyl coenzyme A, and then both the acetyl coenzyme A and this other product, coenzyme A, are supplements. But what this reaction is showing that it's the acetyl coenzyme A that is needed in the process of converting serotonin into the next molecule. The other supplement, coenzyme A, is a product of this pathway and so probably won't help this much. So the next reaction in this pathway is also a supplement that can be purchased. Its abbreviation is SAM, and it's sold at health stores near you as well. So after all these metabolic and biochemical reactions, starting from tryptophan, your body produces melatonin. Unfortunately, it's not routine in a doctor's visit to measure all these hormones and chemicals if your body is producing it effectively and accurately. There are tests to check if melatonin is being produced, but it's not ordered routinely and it's unlikely your medical insurance will pay for it. If that's something that you wanted to do, you probably have to Google the test and get one online and without your doctor's blessings. Melatonin typically helps one to fall asleep. Again, it's produced naturally by the body at night through the pathways we just mentioned, and the sunlight during the day will prevent melatonin from being made so that people will stay awake. So taking pills of melatonin is particularly helpful in someone whose body may not be producing adequate amounts of melatonin naturally in order to fall asleep. Also, the circadian rhythm is a natural rhythm the body functions in which it is awake during the day and asleep at night. This is just sort of a natural reaction the body goes through. There may be other benefits of melatonin. Some scientific studies have shown that melatonin may help prevent the body from aging. What are the side effects of melatonin? Well, it can vary from fatigue, dizziness, headache, irritability, feeling tired or drowsy, confusion or disorientation, sleepwalking, vivid dreams, nightmares, and possibly reduce fertility either in men or women. So a sleep medication or pill is not the preferred way for sleep. I have talked about some of psychological steps that can help with sleep. And so you could look at my other video called The 5 Steps for a Good Night's Sleep for more information. Look, if you did like this video or benefited it in one way or another, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help to support further videos like this going on the channel.